Hi, today I'm going to make this really adorable Valentine's Day card. Material I'll be using this is a cardstock, white colored, and this is pink glitter paper. So I printed this out on the paper and cut it long enough so which I can just sort of fold it. Like so. So this becomes a card. I've also printed out, traced these and printed these out on the paper. Now I'm just going to cut these out. After cutting these out, these are the stencils. I'm just going to put one of each of them on this paper and trace it out. And similarly, I'll trace out the rest of them and cut them out. Now I'll just take these one by one and stick them on the balloons on the picture. Like this. Now I'll just write the message on the card. And this is how it's going to look. A very pretty and very cute Valentine's Day card.